One of our partners is WU Executive Academy, and we do partner with them on many dimensions. So one of the things that WU has that we don't is they have an extensive network of great academics. So they bring in the academic substance, meaning the professors in the sustainability segment, the ones that have understood the theory, the theoretical concepts. We try to match that with the practitioners and the mentors. So the ones that have done it, and it's bringing together the best of both worlds. On the one hand, the ones that have designed businesses, built businesses, founded businesses, and then the other ones who have the academical grounding, understood all the theories, and bringing that together is very, very fruitful. Sometimes there's different perspectives, but they're the ones enriching themselves. So with WU, we partner in a way that our students in the master's program are enrolled actually at WU Executive Academy, have a very, very strong degree, with WU being among the top 50 constantly rankings like Financial Times, The Economist, and others, but additionally also benefiting from all the academics that actually are allowed to do a lot of research there. And that, combined with the network of practitioners and the network of mentors that we bring in, is combining the best of both worlds in the learning experience.